This is Cooking with Art. I'm Art. Today, I'm making a Dutch baby pancake. All right, for this one, you're gonna use your blender. A half a cup of flour. You got a half a cup of milk. 2 large eggs. 2 tablespoons of sugar. A teaspoon vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of salt. Preheat the oven to 425 and put your cast iron skillet in. I recommend blueberries and strawberries. I like to put them both in the batter and on top when it's done. Sprinkle a little confectioner's sugar and add your blueberries. There you have it, a delicious Dutch baby pancake. Enjoy. See you tomorrow.